Peace begins with loving others and loving yourself. We should not only consider humans when we say others, rather we should consider every component of our nature in that. Peace with nature would make ultimate peace for all humans to enjoy. Respect nature in all its forms and stop doing anything which harms it. Small steps would lead to a big change. If every individual tries their best to make a change, we can achieve anything easily. Just like the whole wall falls down when a brick is removed. Harm to any part of nature would lead to disasters. All natural resources that we today use have taken the past 4 billion years to form. They would probably take more billion years to form again, so use them mindfully. Human well-being critically depends on the Earth's natural system. Yet the economic, technological and social advances have also led to a reduction of the Earth's capacity to sustain current and future human well-being. Human prosperity relies on the wise use of the planet's finite space and remaining resources, as well as on the protection and restoration of its life-supporting processes and capacity to absorb waste. The increasingly unequal and resources-intensive model of development drives environmental decline through climate change, biodiversity loss, and other forms of pollution resource degradation.
Any other places, the earth, Uttarakhand was also affected because human activities. The Kedarnath tragedy of 2013 is the most well-known and dangerous of all. Its main cause was the decrease in the capability of the earth to hold the burden on it because we cut all trees. There are a lot of dams being conducted to generate electricity. Rivers are blocked, which led to floods and even avalanches when the dams are built too close to the source of river. Global warming because of pollution has led to rise in the average temperature by dry weather, which led to many forest fire. Many animals are also killed in the forest fire along with the plants and trees. The epidemic going right now is also one of the disasters caused by humans. 1998 Malpa landslide was one of the worst landslides in India. Our mountains were never too weak. Building roads and structures without adequate grading of slope, poorly planned alteration of drainage patterns, and distributing old landslide has weakened it. And now we suffer landslide more often. Nature is giving its response. We need to stop the wrong practices right now and prevent the change of the World War III with nature.